Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines on Facebook. Today we have this really nice pre-millennium version of a Pavoni manual lever machine. Had this one in for a quick tune-up. I believe it was sitting in storage for a few years, and we just had to do the 9 pieces gasket set and also side glass. Make sure everything is nice and tight and there's no leaks. That's a common problem with these models. You see on this particular model you have the 2-position power switch, so it's always hissing, and then you can go to position 2 if you want to go higher. It's right over here on the side. So we have steam, and let's pull a shot. I'm going to use something about 10-11 grams of finely ground espresso. Maybe on a nice stamp here. And make sure this is going all the way to the left. With the Pavoni, it actually goes the other way around. I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can see. I'm gonna lift the lever up for pre-infusion, wait for a few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and now I'm gonna pull the shot. Here we go. There we go. That's really nice. Lots of crema. The espresso looks great. It also tastes great. So thank you for watching, and thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee.